Oh God, it's him. Not to say this more calmly, this is a collaboration with
me.
this dude.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing some flips. Vloggers for life.
Yeah, that.
Link in the description.
I'm gonna see you outside right now. Okay, so we made it outside. Flip check. Ah, crap, they didn't see that. But yeah, so I'm about to switch to the GoPro in 3, 2,
1, go.
1, switch. This is not the GoPro feed. So we are outside and holy crap, this is a lot of stuff. How much money do you spend on? You got a Yamaha quad, and then you got a Suzuki dirt bike.
This is my brother's.
And then you got...
Red one's mine. Black one right there is my dad's. This is also my dad's. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here.
I'm gonna be switching from this bendy tripod to this mouth mount with you. This is This is the mouth mount. This is gonna be getting me way better parkour videos.
Okay.
Man, that guy's car beat up. Oh shoot. Wait, I gotta get a thumbnail. What? For YouTube. Let's go. I'm gonna switch to the usual. Just enjoy this little video clip of me doing parkour at this pond. Starting right now. So we are at his house. And yeah! Damn it. So yeah, let's get started. Special thank you, Albert, for this Coolpix Nikon camera. Thank you, Albert. Just who cares about that? And then thank you again, Albert, for this nice GoPro. It's a Hero 3 Plus. And then thank you for this hat. Thank you for these. I mean, he gave me this whole phone. Look at this. He gave me an iPhone 5S. So crazy. Look at that. And an iPhone 6S. This guy is a generous man. This is also another case he gave. And this is a nice fidget spinner. You should get one. Look at this coolness. This is not sponsored by Fidget. Okay, I'm just gonna put all this stuff back into the box without Albert ever knowing he gave it to me. There's also the safe key. Is made with me. So the time. Okay, so the time is. 8:56. And currently some time has went by since the last time I've seen you. I honestly do not know where this vlog has went. We were supposed to go to the park and we clearly did not, so yeah, hopefully his next vlog is gonna be better. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of leave the vlog off there. And this is the end of today's vlog, so see you next time.